How to fix snap camera filters not working. One of the reasons why your snap camera filters might not be working is because of the conflict in Windows Firewall. So the first thing that I want to suggest you is to turn off your Windows Firewall. To turn off your Windows Defender Firewall, firstly go to Windows and search for Windows Defender Firewall and click on the option. And after that, on the left hand side you can see turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Click on the option and click on turn off Windows Defender Firewall and click on OK. After you turn off the Windows Firewall, the next thing to do is go to your browser and download Snap Camera filters or Snap Camera. In order to download the Snap Camera, you can visit this link and click on download. And after the file is downloaded, install the file. The Snap Camera is already installed, but you cannot see the filters here. The filters have not been enabled yet. In order to enable the feature, what you can do is go to the link that we have provided in the description and open up the link, this link, Snapchat Reverse. And after this, specify the patch file to be located. And here I've already done this. So basically click on the Snapchat camera.exe and click on open. And after that, click on apply patch. And after this, the patch file will be downloaded. And what you need to do now is open up the original file again here, the Snap Cameras, open file location, and directly copy it here. Click on continue. And after this, you will see there are two different Snap Camera. Firstly, delete the snapcamera.exe one and click on continue and rename the patch file. Just delete the patched option here and hit enter and click on continue. And after that, refresh it, close the option and refresh here and open the Snap Camera again. And here you will be able to see the filters. And this is how you can enable the snap filters option.